Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem, right? So in this video I'm going to give a solution of this question mark or of this problem, and this will fix your problem 100%. So if you're banned, then you have to just go to the Google Chrome, and depending upon your banned reason, sometimes it doesn't get resolved, or WhatsApp doesn't restart your account. So here you have to just type WhatsApp help, and once you do here, click on it, and basically we'll get this option of WhatsApp, contact WhatsApp, right, or WhatsApp help center. And here you have to provide your number and your email address and confirm email address. And how do you use WhatsApp? Of course, it's Android or iPhone. Just select accordingly and enter your message. So if your account has been banned by mistakenly, then just put the reasons, screenshots, or whatever you just need, and then in just few days WhatsApp will revert back to you by given to your email address, and they will try to fix it. But it's a very long taking process, but I will show you some instant process. It may fix a problem. First of all, you have to just go to the settings of your phone, and on the search bar you have to type app management, right? So here, this is app management. Go to the app management, and here app management is basically, it will show you all the application which is present over your phone. And here you have to search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, go to the storage usage, clear the data. Maybe first of all try to clear the cache. If it did get clear, try to open your WhatsApp. If it's worked, then it's great. If it doesn't, then just clear the data and then try to re-enter your number. After the 2 or 3 days or after a week, if your account doesn't get reactivated, then there is a no way to reapply for it, because WhatsApp is not going to fix it, so you have to use a different number. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.